Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can delete your Stripe account. So let's jump right in. First, head over to stripe.com and sign in to your account using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of your dashboard and click on the gear icon, which will take you to your settings. From the settings page, scroll down and look for the account settings, and under that, click on business. This page will show you all the details related to your Stripe account. Now scroll to the bottom of this section, and you'll see an option labeled Close Account. Go ahead and click on that. Stripe will then ask you to confirm whether you're sure you want to close the account. If you're ready to proceed, you'll be prompted to enter your Stripe account password for security verification. After entering your password, click on the Close Account button to move forward. Next, Stripe will send a verification code to your registered email address. Go to your inbox, find the email from Stripe, and copy the code. Paste that code into the field on the Stripe page, and once you confirm it, your account will officially be closed.